In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge vendors in QuickBooks Online with same or similar name. Merging vendors is really helpful when you notice that the same supplier has been entered more than once, maybe with a slightly different spelling. Cleaning this up keeps your reports accurate and makes it easier to track what you actually owe each vendor. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own QuickBooks Online account. First, let's get to the vendors list. From your left-hand menu, go to the Expenses section. Once you're there, select Vendors. This opens a full list of all the vendors currently set up in your company file, including any duplicates that you want to clean up. Next, decide which vendor record you want to keep and which one you want to merge into it. The one you keep should usually be the one with the most complete or correct information, like the right address, contact details, and tax info. Now click on the duplicate vendor that you want to merge from, meaning this is the one that will eventually be removed and combined into the main record. With that vendor open, look for the option to edit. In QuickBooks Online, you'll usually see an Edit button in the top right area of the vendor profile. Click Edit to open all of the vendor's details. Here's the key part of the process. You're going to change this vendor's display name so that it exactly matches the display name of the primary vendor you want to keep. Make sure the spelling, spacing, punctuation, and capitalization are identical. Even a small difference can prevent the merge from working. Once you've updated the display name to match, it's time to save your changes. Click Save at the bottom of the screen. As soon as you do this, QuickBooks will recognize that a vendor with that same display name already exists. QuickBooks will then prompt you with a message letting you know that the name is already in use and asking if you want to merge the two vendor records. This is your final chance to confirm, because merging can't be undone. If you're sure you've selected the correct vendor to merge from and the right one to keep, go ahead and choose Yes or Merge Contacts to complete the process. After this, all transactions from the duplicate vendor are moved into the main vendor, and you'll have a cleaner, more accurate vendor list in QuickBooks Online.